weatherman is correct. Tomorrow morning, everything's gonna be snowed out in Chicago. Look at that, it's pretty clear. You got a little bit of snow there, but other than that, the roads are good. Supposed to snow 100% tomorrow, all day long, starting at 3 a.m. all the way till like midnight, I think. But it's gonna be a rough day for me tomorrow. I gotta deliver in Chicago, and then I got a pickup. I'm headed down south towards Charlotte, North Carolina. See, the road's been pretty clear all day. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. It is snowing like crazy, man. Check this out. Which I got delivered to make. It's about just a couple miles away. It's not too far from me, but then I got travel back south about another 45 miles, and then travel for another delivery. I got 2 drops, and then go another 30 miles west to make my pickup, and then I gotta head south, which I saw if I travel like not even 60 miles south of Chicago, like everything will clear up. Everything, it didn't even snow over there because it's so warm, but right now it's getting hit pretty hard with snow. See, I'm currently right here in Kenosha, Wisconsin. So it's snowing pretty hard right now, which I gotta travel south towards Chicago around right here. That's where my next delivery is at. And then I gotta travel right around this area where my pickup is. And then from here I'm going to Charlotte, North Carolina. But all this region right here is getting hit pretty hard. You see, all the blue is just a bunch of snow. This is ice and just water. You see, once I make it around right here, it's just water. It's not going to be snowing anymore. So I just made it to my first delivery. I'm about to go check in. There's that door I gotta go check in at. Let's go. Let me get my wallet. They told me I have to go to a different door to go check in. Because when I got in here, it told me go to 375, door 375 to check in. So that's where I was at. But now it's telling me to go to door 333 to go check in. I'll fix it and go over there. Let's go see what they say at this one. Hello. More here for delivery? 331, thank you. Give me a dock already. So I'm gonna go ahead and break the seal and back it up. I just got unloaded at my first one, so I'm about to head to my second one. The second one is actually like 90 miles away. So I gotta drive 90 miles to get to the next one. But I am fixing to get on the interstate 94. So I'm in Kenosha, Wisconsin, headed back south towards Chicago, which is 94 for my next drop. So we'll see. Hopefully it gets better. I mean, the temperature right now is 35 degrees, so even though it is snowing, it's not freezing yet. You know, the sun hasn't came up yet, but it is supposed to be snowing all day long. But once I get on the interstate, I'm hoping that, you know, the roads have been cleaned up a little bit, and, you know, just from traffic driving on them so much, they won't be icy. I don't think the roads will be icy, but I do have to go extra slow just because I'm pretty light, and I know every time that I'm light, you know, I'll slide on these roads when I'm trying to brake. I'm gonna be sure to keep my distance between cars. And another thing that will help you, you know, driving in weather like this is having some good tires with some good tread on them, because you want to create that friction. And whenever you have bald tires, you know, it's not good for weather like this. So I'm about to head over there. I do have a headlight out, which I gotta replace pretty soon. So the roads are not horrible, but as you can see, you know, it is snowing pretty hard. This is what I imagine the roads be like, just because it's not below 32 degrees. It's currently 34 degrees, which is not at that freezing point. And a good sign that you want to see is to look at the other cars and trucks. Look at the wheels. If the wheels are throwing water, then, you know, that's a good sign that the ice or snow is melting on the road. So, you know, I figure that the road will be cleaned up by the state. So I'm sure there's gonna be some patches of good and bad. It's a little bit windy, not too hard, but there's not a whole lot of traffic going on right now, so that's good. I'm sure once I get into Chicago area, I'm sure there's gonna be way more. Everybody's going between 40 and 35. So I'm just keeping a steady pace. I'm just following those vehicles in front of me. Don't want to get too close to them. So my boss already knows the road conditions. He just, you know, he pretty much just said just to be safe. It's not horrible, to be honest, you know. But I already know there's going to be a lot of accidents. You know, a lot of people, they just can't seem to drive to the weather conditions. They like to go fast, you know. So I finally made it to my second delivery. I gotta back it up in there. It's like a garage style dock. They're pretty common over here in Chicago area. Look at that truck, boy. That truck look good. But yeah, I'm about to back it up in there. The roads, they ended up being okay. As further south I traveled, the roads were just starting to get wet, and it started to rain. It wasn't even snowing anymore. It was starting to come down as rain. Finally got loaded. Let's go to my next pickup. god, I almost died.
No.
I almost died. That was so scary. Thank you.
It's okay. It's all right.
Just got here to my next pickup. Another one of these garage doors. Got my headlight out. Hopefully they gave me lotus so I can get out of here. It's just raining now. Just got loaded. Time to get out of here. The weather's supposed to get worse. You know, it's still raining, but the weather is supposed to get colder. It's supposed to get snowing, and the road's gonna be bad. But right now we're good. Right now, you know, it's just time to get out of here. So that's what I'm fixing to do. Let's go. Yeah, so I just stopped to replace my headlight. I really don't want to risk it. I don't want to give the DOT officer any reason to pull me over. So I stopped at a Pilot to buy the bulb, like 20 bucks. It is a halogen bulb. I'll be getting flashed all the time because they're halogen. They're aftermarket headlamps, but the halogen, they're pretty bright. And I'll be getting flashed all the time, and I hit them back with the bright lights, with the high beams. But yeah, that's what I'm fixing to do. This is what my truck uses. 2016 Freightliner Cascadia. Well, the bulb was good, so I guess it was just a loose connection. I don't know, but I got it fixed, so hopefully it doesn't come loose again, because I still got a couple hours left to drive. I'm gonna check it out when I stop. So yesterday when I went to sleep, you know, I checked the weather and everything looked fine, and look what I woke up to. It is snowing a little bit. I'm pretty sure the roads are gonna be pretty icy. It's currently 23 degrees. So I have about 150 miles to drive, which is Charleston, West Virginia. I'm currently in Jeffersonville, Ohio. Once I get to Charleston, West Virginia, it looks like it should be better road conditions, but I'm pretty sure the road is gonna be pretty icy until I get there, just because it's been snowing. It didn't look like it snowed after Charleston. So I thought it was in the clear, but not yet. So I just got here to my destination, but I don't know if I can park here where I'm at. There is a concert going on. Tamar Braxton's doing a concert. So they got, it's like this hotel area, but there's parking lot. So I'm here at the parking lot. I mean, there's a bunch of cars here. I don't know if they charge or if I can park here. I mean, I'll let y'all know if I get kicked out of here. I mean, literally downtown, so if I have to go look for parking, it's gonna be very hard to find something, especially at this time. It's like 7 p.m. and all the truck stops around here, they're like small truck stops, so you know they're gonna be full. I have to be here till tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Hopefully I don't get kicked out. I don't know. I'm just kind of over here minding my own business. Pretty good view over there. So we'll see what happens. So I'm finally getting unloaded. This past few days I've been feeling a little bit under the weather. I've been feeling sick. I think I got sick the other day. I went to go take a shower and it was freaking cold outside, and I just walked outside in the cold after taking a pretty hot shower. I think I got fever or something. I've been running pretty hot. But this is gonna be the end of the video, you know, getting unloaded. After this, I'm just gonna go to the truck stop and do my 34-hour reset, and we'll see what they have for me on Monday. Stay healthy, drive safe. See you on the next one.